beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? Today I have this gorgeous wig named Simone that I would like to share with you guys. A company called FaithStyledit. I love this company because it is based off of a faith company, and she gives you beautiful scriptures and like motivational quotes on every wig that is on her page. I fell in love with this company because of that, and also because they give you quality hair. As you can see, the hair I'm wearing right now is gorgeous. She was easy to install, and I'm gonna show you how I installed her. She was super easy to install. It literally took me about 15 minutes to install this wig. FaithStyledit has tons of affordable wigs on their website and on their Instagram page, you guys. They offer products on their page for maintenance. They offer other products like brushes, all types of beauty on a budget type of things. So you guys go and check them out. You won't regret it. This hair smells amazing. It has like a citrus scent to it, and it's very soft and thick and feels really great. It doesn't shed, you guys, and it's long. I think this is like a 28 inch. Comes all the way down to my butt. She is super gorgeous and thick, smells really lovely. It makes me feel super pretty and beautiful, and she is pre-washed and ready to install. And not only is it easy to install, but it is easy to purchase. This unit is easy to order by texting 541-516-9600. All of the information will be down in the description box below, and it will be on the screen right here. And whether it's styled or shipping, you can talk to these people through a live chat when you text this number. This company is super well organized, and they offer you so many things that are affordable and luxury for people like you and me. Check them out in the description box below, and I promise you will like it. This hair is beautiful, and let me show you how I installed it. Oh, but before I let you go, if you use the discount code at your checkout, Delilah24, you get 20% off. This hair is already affordable, but I'm giving you 20% off, okay? This hair is so gorgeous. I promise you will love it, and it was so easy to install, and I cannot wait to show you how I got this quick install with this beautiful wig called Simone. Let's get into the video, and I will chat with you guys later. my goodness, you guys, would you believe that this is a wig? Oh my goodness, nobody cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Who gonna tell me that this is not my hair? This hair feels like it came out of my head, you guys. Like, it is so thick and beautiful. I am so excited about this wig and this new brand. I would suggest all of you guys to run and buy this hair. This hair is gorgeous. This is the most beautiful hair I have ever seen in my whole entire life. The thickness of this hair is A1. I want to put some concealer on my part right here, because usually I would bleach my knots, but this time I didn't. And we're just gonna add a little bit of concealer so that it give it a more natural look, and you can't see the black dotted knots, and just make it look more natural. You guys, get a concealer that's about your skin tone and just add it to the parting and the lace, the baby hairs. Just add it to your frontal, and you guys are gonna love the outcome of your wig install. It is A1 key to every wig install. Add some concealer to the parting, to the baby hairs, or wherever, and it's gonna look cute. So I barely did anything to this wig unit. I just literally put her on, sprayed some Got2b glue. It comes with these gorgeous baby hairs. I didn't even cut it, and it just looks so gorgeous. This literally took me about 10-15 minutes to do. Now if you decide to buy this wig, down in the description box below, let me know, okay? Come back to this video, comment down, and let me know how this wig changed your life, because this wig is about to change my life tremendously. Like, it is so gorgeous. It's so full. You can do so many different hairstyles. Ooh, I really want to try like that half up, half down with the flip. With the flip, it's gonna be so cute. This hair feel like my natural hair. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it was very informative for you and it persuades you to go buy one of these wigs. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see y'all later.